Hello everyone, today I have this beautiful dehumidifier. It's a perfect purchase to using it in your bedroom, in your bathroom. You can also use it in your clothes, in some garage. It's small but very useful. It has a big capacity tank. It has a night function mode. It's very quiet. It's easy collecting the water inside. It has 7 different lighting. It has a very beautiful effect at night. It's perfect for some spaces like bathroom to collect it all water, for your closet when there are a lot of different your clothes to put and collect it all water on it. I think it's a good purchase and a gift for your friends and family, and I'm highly recommend this. See you like it.